Hello and welcome! In this tutorial I will show you how to use the line chart on a dashboard to display the chronological progression of the average of a measured value. Its highest value is also indicated. The line chart is also available on the report editor. This chart shows the average values of the summarized active power. A threshold is also shown. This makes it easy to see whether a critical value has been exceeded, for example. Place a line chart on the dashboard. Drag it to the desired size. Open the measured value selection. Select a measuring device and expand the value tree to the desired measured value. Add this measured value to the chart twice. Open the advanced settings. The first entry should show the chronological progression of the average. It is given its own color. The second entry should show the highest average value of the chart period as a line. To do this, aggregate the value over the entire period. Use the maximum value as the aggregation function to display the highest average value. This measured value is also given its own color. The respective value type and aggregation function should be displayed in the legend for better orientation. Select several measured values to configure them simultaneously. Next, draw a threshold. If you use measured values with different units in your chart, first specify which unit the threshold refers to. You can find this setting in the graph settings. Then set the desired threshold. The threshold also has its own color. Thresholds can be sorted by size. This sorting only changes the arrangement in the settings window and has no effect on the appearance in the chart. You can easily replace the devices used by an object without having to reconfigure the individual measured values. Call up the device exchange in the object settings. Select which of the devices used in the object are to be replaced with which available devices. The measured values have retained their respective configuration, but use the newly selected device. The line chart has a navigator in presentation mode. Activate this in the graph settings. The navigator is not visible in edit mode. Space is only reserved for the navigator between the chart and the legend. The navigator is located at the bottom of the chart. Use the handles on the sides to zoom in the chart. Hold and drag the section in the navigator to move the view in the chart. The navigator also has shortcut buttons that you can use to set the section being viewed to specific time periods, such as a day. These view settings are not saved and are reset when you exit presentation mode. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitza.de.